Three important beliefs explained on making money with investing and trading. Well, when it comes to investing and trading, here in terms of stocks, it could be other things too. There are only three beliefs, and this is more like a simplistic view, although there are a lot of other things that can be involved. A simplistic model just to recheck yourself. There are only three beliefs you need to check and evaluate to make the choices, your decisions about investing and trading. First, you need to put some money on the line, like in terms of here, like a stock, if you're buying something, because there are people who are always thinking about things, just learning and learning, but never do a trade. And there are other people who do some paper trading, but they never do put real money. So what I want to say is, for those people, you're not really emotionally invested, and when you do, the results may not be the same. So doing paper trading is okay, just learning is okay, but you have to get started if you are one of those people. But if you are not, if you're already doing some trading, investing, you all realize what I'm talking about. So assuming you're putting some money in and trading or investing, there are only three beliefs, and I'm going to talk about. So it will be a simplistic view. Now, belief is anything that seems true, either yes or no. There's no maybe. So, in terms of here, any belief is basically you feel or you see it is true. There is no maybe. Is there a yes or no? And before you enter any trade, you probably think it will going to make a profit, and you will buy into it. Say yes, or you're not sure, you don't understand it. You look for a better one, or you can just pass. So before you have any investment or trade, you have two options. You either believe it'll go higher in price and you'll make a profit. So you choice is yes and you'll buy. Or you're not sure, you don't understand, or you look for a better one, you just pass, just skip it. So that is before you have any investment or trade. So I'm giving you before. Before, in terms of making money, investing and trading, there are only two choices. That is, yes, you enter a trade, is it buy or short, or you just skip it. Now, after the trade, there are three beliefs, and that's what I'm talking about. So let's say you buy and hold one of them, and you have it now. Now, here are three beliefs that are true for you at any time. You believe it will go much higher or higher price later, and you hold. That is, your action is wait. Just keep waiting because you are expecting a much higher price in the future, much higher profit in the future. So your belief is it is much higher than where it is right now, and you hold. Basically, the action is wait, do nothing. But it is not just doing nothing. It is the patience. It is the holding for a longer term, or like a belief that it is much higher in value and price. So the action is waiting, but it is waiting with patience because you own it. Now, the other belief is it will go down in price, or you want to take profits, or it is overvalued. You want action is to sell, so just close it. So this is the other belief. It will go down in price, or you want to take profits, or you want to just cut your losses and take the what are the capital you have to preserve your capital. The belief is it is going to go much lower, and you're going to action is to sell. So that's the second option, second belief. So it's going to further down, it's going to lose even much lower, and you want to cut it short. The action is sell. Now there's a third belief that is going to go sidelines, that it may not go up much, it may not go down much. Okay, you may not have thought about it, but that is also an option. Sometimes they trade in a range and not much upside movement, not much downside movement. And it is up to you to choose. You want to wait and with patient, or you want to sell and just get out. So here also the action is either wait or sell. So even though there are three beliefs, one is like it's going to be go higher or it's going to go down, or it's going to just sit in the same level like sidelines with not much up or down. There are only two actions, that is just to wait with patience or just get out of the trade, that is sell. If it's a short and cover, it's a cover. So there are only three beliefs once you have an investment or a trade, and those are the three. But the actions are always two. Either you're waiting with patience or you're just getting out, whatever that is, taking profits or cutting your losses short, preserving your capital. So it's very simplistic, but those are the three choices. There are only two choices, but there are three beliefs. So how much you research you do, how much time you put in, all these other things are all secondary. It always comes to these choices. Now, when you have more investing, trading, learning experience, more skills, or more evaluating yourself, uh, you'll probably have better awareness and better judgments. But that is, it will still come down to these three: what you believe about what you have and how you look at it, and the actions are you just wait and hold, or you just sell. Now it's very simplistic. There are a lot of other things that come in play, but still, those are the only two choices. Either you wait with patience, or you sell, or get out of the trade. There are a lot of other things like timing, other market forces, and political stuff, all political news, political changes, all those things. But I want to give it very simple. There are only three beliefs and two actions, and that's all you need. So you can cut down all your time and effort and everything into these two, and that gives you some clear picture of your choices. Now there's other side of just impatiently making choices, impatiently trying to do something and not being self-aware. So that's the point I'm trying to make. Whether however you do it, you just have these two choices and three beliefs. Hope that gives you some clarity, and comment below.